Welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. It's time for our daily report. This is April 25th, 2021. So it includes the data for last week. It includes data as of 4/24. Okay, I've done a very brief reworking of the COVID-19 deaths for the state of Ohio. This is in part due to the fact that we know that the number of deaths were undercounted by 4,000 in the fourth quarter last year, and they were overcounted by 4,000. And those missing 4,000 were added on to February 12th and February 13th number, creating a huge, massive spike. So we're basically just simplifying the whole process. We're basically just simplifying the whole process here with the moving average. Okay, let's just take a look here then. And what we're really concerned with here is the trend. Because we all know that the trend is a trend. And here you can see the trouble with the cases, these huge spikes. Okay, you can see we have 62 outliers. The average number of cases per day is 2,587. The median value is 1,335. The maximum single day value, well, of course, this is ridiculous. We didn't actually have 25,000 plus cases in one day. Okay. And here you see the same thing. They're all data for deaths. We got a 0 there, right? Then we got this huge massive spike in February, okay? And here's some of those numbers. The average number of deaths per day is only 26.5 deaths per day on average. The maximum 2,550. Well, that's a huge difference between this and this, okay? So now let's take a look at the smooth moving averages. So these are the cases. These are the high deaths as of beginning with December 1st up until the current numbers. And you can see the trend. There is a downward trend from here. This spike here were those the adjustments made back in February 12th and 13th. So we can pretty much ignore this. And you can see the trend is down from here down to here since December. The trend, the number of deaths have been declining. Okay? What about cases? Well, here's cases since. Again, this is a 21-day moving average, okay? So you can see since December 1st, well, this is interesting, cases have been declining also. There's a slight leveling here, but then it appears to turn back down. I wonder if the fact that the numbers are finished above or below the regression line actually means anything. You know what fun? Let's just do a little bit of fun here, shall we? Let's take this. Let's just change this to genome point. Okay, run this again. So what you can see, you can see a single line of doesn't really do anything for us there, does it? Okay. You know, we could do something like the counting numbers here. Okay. But that's dumb. We'll save that for another day. Okay. I was going to say, we could actually use the counting numbers to give us 88 data points for each day. Okay. But we're not. So the numbers do appear to be improving. They do appear to be trending downward with cases and deaths. And that's very good news. Okay. We can also do a brief comparison of this also with see what the U.S. numbers are doing since December 1st. All righty. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with a new improved report.